Okay. Okay, guys. So welcome you all to the demo session. Okay. So in this session, we will try to learn about what exactly the Tosca is and why you are here and why to learn the Tosca. Okay. So we all are here to learn one of the major or one of the important topic or important automation tool, which is growing rapidly in the market, which is called Tosca. Okay, so what is this Tosca? Tosca is an automation tool, guys. Okay, so what is Tosca? So Tosca is an automation tool where you can automate all the applications. Okay, so before you are starting, I want to introduce about myself so that you will know who I am and what I am from, which background I am from. Okay, so coming to myself, my name is Rajesh. Okay, and my name is Rajesh, and or they used to call me Ritvik, so I'm famous as Ritvik. So remember my name is Ritvik only. Okay, so my name is Ritvik, and I have overall 10 plus years of experience, guys. Okay, in this 10 plus years of experience, I have worked on different domains. Okay, so overall, I have 10 years of experience. In that, I started my career with ETL testing. Okay, if somebody know what is ETL, so ETL is extract, transform, and the load. So I have worked as an ETL tester. So obviously, I know the database testing also. So later, I have went to the database testing. Okay, so in my entire career, I worked as manual tester, ETL testing, and database testing. After that, I moved to the Tosca automation testing. Okay, so from past 6.8 years, I'm working on this Tosca. Okay, from past 6.8 years, I'm only working on the Tosca. And now, since I'm working on the Tosca, right? So I'm a real-time trainer. So what is the difference between a normal trainer and the real-time trainer is? In the normal trainer, what you will do generally, you will they will tell the definitions. They will teach you the definitions. How what is Tosca? What are the things in the Tosca? They will tell the theoretical subject. But if you learn Tosca from me, I will put my entire project in front of you so that if they asked about the real time scenarios or if they asked about something, you can easily understand that. Okay, so now you have, so what is the difference between learning from a real-time trainer and the normal trainer is they will teach only the definitions. They will have 2 to 3 years of experience in Tosca, and nowadays they are teaching. I don't know what they are teaching, and I seriously I'm very concerned about who trained in that particular trainer. Why? Because they know only little bit. Now they are giving half knowledge. So in the interview, you will give 1/4 of knowledge. So that's why most of the interviews are not cracked. But I'm not like that. The entire I will type it as a class note. I will explain the interview questions. So I will tell what is a real-time trainer will do. Generally, he will tell the project prospect, not from the definition perspective. Definition you can get it in the Google also. Okay, so try to get the real-time knowledge. Okay, I will give you the real-time knowledge. I'm currently working in one of the MNC company, which is one of the top MNC company, where you can see this. Okay, so I'm working on the top MNC company. So I'm also a panel member. Okay, so what is a panel member generally? For example, if you have, I'm the panel member who will take the interviews in the respective organization. Okay, so I don't know what kind of interview questions they will ask. So I will train you in a such a way that you will get all the knowledge with respect to project and with respect to the real time also. With respect to project and with respect to the real time also, you will get huge knowledge. Okay, so I'm the panel member also. Now what else? Now coming to the domains. Okay, domains, I work for healthcare. I'm very familiar with the healthcare and insurance. Okay, so now I'm good in insurance domain, and I'm also good in retail. Okay, and I supported for banking. Okay, so now I'm the most important domains. I got some hands-on. So based on these domains only, I will teach the project. Okay. If you see here, just I will show you a glance look. That's it. Okay. See here, these all are my batches where I am teaching. So I will tell Walmart project, DBS banking project, Barclays, Westpac. So these all are some projects. With respect to the project, I will select one project for one batch and I will try to explain. Okay. So I have trained a lot of members and I have placed a lot of members in the organization. So with respect to the project, I will try to teach you. Okay. So what you need to do, come with an empty mind, get the subject and get it done. Okay. So this is pretty much about myself. Okay. You will learn the subject. Okay. So with respect to the subject, I will speak. Okay. Now I have 10 plus years of experience, right? So in this 10 plus of years of experience, I got a huge knowledge in different domains. Okay. Now let us see. Now let us start. We all are here to learn one automation tool. Before you are learning an automation tool, you should understand why to learn the Tosca or why to learn this tool only. So without knowing this tool, how you will do it? Okay. For example, majorly why you need to learn, it is a codeless test automation tool. Unlike Selenium, okay, see here, we have Selenium, right? In the Selenium, you will write the code. Means if you want to automate any code, what you will do? You will use one IDE and you will try to run the respective test cases. Means coding is involved in that. Okay. There is a huge coding which is involved when you are writing your respective test cases or automating your test cases. For example, see here, this much of code you need to write. Okay. So in order to automate any steps, you need to write this much of. So which is very big headache for a person who got the person who has that knowledge. Okay. Now, since it is a codeless automation tool, you can easily automate it. So that's why you need to learn Tosca. Okay. So if somebody is asking why to learn Tosca, why? Because it is codeless automation. Unlike Selenium, you won't write any single piece of code. Okay. So advantage number one. Next one, supports multiple applications. What is this support multiple applications? For example, you have what you have? You have Salesforce, SAP, manual testing, or ETL testing, API testing, Azure, AWS, any kind of applications or any kind of technology you can automate easily, that too without writing a single piece of code. That's why you need to learn Tosca. Okay. Next one. Why you need to learn Tosca? Why? Because it is involved. See, nowadays AI is booming in the market, right? So AI is booming in the market. AI chala bondi bite market, right? So we have huge market for the AI. So now the Tosca is also tie up with the artificial intelligence, or it has introduced AI in your respective testing. So that's why you need to learn Tosca. Next one, it is a model based tool. Means it is not script based tool. Not like this. Okay, we have model based. So that's why you need to learn Tosca. Okay, next one, we can achieve continuous integration and continuous testing. So that's why you need to learn Tosca. Finally, it is easy to learn and it is very easy to use. So that's why you need to learn Tosca. Okay, so why to learn this Tosca? Means if somebody is asked you, you should tell all these things. Okay. So why to learn the Tosca? Why? Because it is a non-coding tool. So that's why you need to learn Tosca. 1 minute. Okay. So you have understood why to learn this respect to Tosca. Okay. So these are the advantages why to learn the respect to Tosca commander. Okay. Now, what type of testing we can automate using Tosca? Okay, what type of testing you can automate? See, now you have understood why you need to learn Tosca. Simple, guys. It is automating all kinds of application. It is automating web. It is automating desktop. It is automating all the applications. So if it is automating all the application, then what is stopping you to do? You can easily learn the respect to Tosca. Okay, so that too without writing a single piece of code. See here, you need to write tons of code in order to automate it. For somebody who doesn't know Java, they can't understand this code at all. It's very hard. Okay, I will prove it, guys. So please stay till the end of the slide. Then you will understand why everyone is migrating to Tosca. I will compare Selenium with Tosca. Okay, now what types of testing we can do using Tosca? ఏమేం types of testing automation చేయొచ్చు? What are the types of testings we can automate using Tosca? So if it is a web, it is a web application, you can easily automate Tosca using Tosca. If it is a web application, you can automate Tosca. Next, if it is a desktop application, if there are any desktop applications, you can automate the Tosca. If we have SAP, SAP, you know, right? All the modules, FICO, material management, whatever the module it is, you can easily automate using SAP. Next, Salesforce. Okay, you can easily automate the Salesforce application. Okay, if you have any Salesforce application, you can easily automate using Tosca. Okay, next, mobile automation. You can automate the mobile testing also. If there is any mobile testing and you want to automate any test cases, mobile automation also you can do. Next one, database testing. If you have any database testing, then you can easily automate using Tosca. If there is a database testing, you can automate using Tosca. Next one, ETL testing, extraction, transformation, loading, and API testing also you can automate using Tosca. Means, again, all the Azure applications and all the AWS, Pega, okay, all the Pega applications, you can automate it. Whatever there is a testing in the market, you can also automate it. You can automate, okay, performance testing also. If there is some performance testing and you want to automate the performance testing, also you can do it. Now let us compare. For example, we have one tool with zero code. A zero code tool which can automate all these things. Whatever it is there in your application, it is automating everything. Then what is the point of learning the coding or writing the code in Java, writing the code in Python or C# with Selenium? Right? So that is the reason nobody is using other tools apart from Tosca. Nowadays, they are migrating to Tosca. So that's why the Tosca market is very good. Okay. So now you are come here with your references, right? So your references person already joined in Tosca and they have got an idea and they are trained by me. So they have suggested me. Okay. So why to learn the respect to Tosca? Now you got the clarity. Means one tool, you can automate all the things. Then what is the point of learning the coding without zero code? So that is the main reason why we need to learn Tosca and why everyone is learning Tosca. So what type of applications you can do? Whatever the application you have, you can automate all the applications. Please note down your question. At the end, I will ask you. Okay. Next one. What are the benefits of Tosca? So first one, it's a scriptless automation or no coding. Here Rajesh or here Ritvik, you are telling that it is a non-coding tool. Can you prove it? I will prove it, guys, at the last. Okay. Now it is suitable for the larger scale operation. If you have any larger scale operations, it is suitable for that. Okay. The test management you can do. If there is any mass updates, you can do using Tosca. And reusability, very, very important. You have created one test case. I want to use your test cases. Then I can use the reusability using RTBs. We will call it as RTBs, reusable tester blocks. Okay. Next one, quality vendor support. We will have a proper vendor support. Okay. It's a paid tool, right? So it will have a quality vendor support. Means if you stuck at any point, you can call to that person and you can get it. Okay. Next one, easy to use interface. It is very easy to use interface. So that's why you need to learn the Tosca. Okay. Next, model based automation. So you can use model based. It's a model based. It's not script based, guys. It is a model based application. Next, cross browser testing. You can automate the cross browser testing using Tosca. All cross browser testing you can use Tosca. Next, end-to-end test automation. You can do end-to-end test automation. That's why those are the benefits of Tosca. And next, AI powered. I told you, right? It is also, see, I will tell you one thing, it will blow your mind. You will understand till how much extent the Tosca is going. I will prove. Okay, give me some time. Now, we have AI, call it as Vision AI. The name itself is Vision AI. What is this Vision AI will do generally? This Vision AI, by taking the screenshots, for example, you draw your application in pen and paper and take the screenshot and give it the Tosca will automate it. See how advanced it is? For example, we will have some mock-ups. How the application is going to look, you will have some mock-ups. మీకు ఒక mock-ups ఇస్తారు ఒక paint లో గీసి. So they will give one mock-ups where you can see it in the paint. Okay. So they will draw it in the paint and they will give it to you. Now using Tosca Vision AI, you can scan the module. The developer will develop the code. You will directly automate the code. So there is no use of manual tester at all. Directly you will only do everything. I will prove it. Okay. Now these are the benefits of Tosca. Okay. Now you are here in our courses. What I will teach you. Okay. In our course, I will start with web. Okay. Means Tosca web. Hey, Ritvik, why you are using web? Why can't you use another thing? Why? Because I will give an example. If you know how to handle a table, see guys, if you know how to handle a table, the table is common for all the application. In the Flipkart, the table will contain rows and columns. In Amazon, the table will contain rows and columns. In another application, you will get rows and columns. In SAP, Salesforce, in Excel sheet also you will have rows and columns. So that's why web technologies are very, very important. For example, there is a drop down. Okay. So there is a drop down. If there is a drop down, okay, in this drop down, now for any application, the drop down is the drop down only. It will look similar. Okay, so that's why you learn the web technologies first and understand the subject and then go to the next topics. Okay, got my point? So you need to use web first. Once the web is done, I will go and explain the desktop applications. Okay, like SAP is a desktop application. Okay, next I will tell you database testing. Next, I will teach you API testing. Next, SAP. Okay. Here, Rajesh or here, Ritvik, the database testing is a ocean. API is ocean or SAP is ocean. Will you teach database testing completely? No, guys. We are not manual tester. We are automation tester. I will teach you how to automate. I will tell the basics of database testing. And then I will tell you how to automate using Tosca. I will teach you what is API testing and how to automate API testing with Tosca. Now I will teach you what is SAP and how to automate the SAP that I will teach you. Got my point? So in SAP, I will teach like that. Now, see here, this knowledge is enough? Yes, guys, it is enough. As an automation tester, it is enough. So I have covered all the topics. Okay, I have teached almost 62, I think 62 or 63rd batch it is. So I have only for Tosca, I have teached 62 to 63. I think it's 62. Okay. So I have plan in place. So I will teach each and everything very clear. Okay. Now let us go. Now vision AI, vision AI, vision AI, right? So the artificial intelligence is booming in the market, or generative AI, we will call it. Okay. So now if you have any AI, okay, and you want to use this AI for the Tosca, it has named this as vision AI. See this one? With vision AI, you can create your automation already based on simple mockups or the UI description. Before any code is written, enable you to test much earlier in the development lifecycle. Means using a simple mockup. So take the paint, pen and paper, draw. This is the logo. This is a search option. This is another one. Here you need to give a drop down. Here it is a table. So draw it like this and give it to the Vision AI. It will scan and it will write all this code by its own. See, here you need to write it manually, right? But the Tosca will use the AI technologies to, it will use AI technologies to automate your test cases. Nobody will teach in the market. I will teach you guys. Okay. I will teach you. I done lot of research, or I have done lot of R&D for the Vision AI. So obviously I got a good knowledge. So I will put the entire knowledge in front of you. So what you need to do? You need to understand it. That's it. Okay. So I will teach each and everything in detail. So please try to understand the subject. Okay. Next one. Okay. Certifications. So we all are here to get some certified in Tosca, right? For that one, we will provide six badges. Okay, six badges. How you will have Azure and AWS badges, right? So we will have badges and one advanced certifications we will provide. Okay, so okay, Ritvik, can you please tell me what are the certifications we will provide? Okay, so the certification is provided is AS1. We will provide you AS1. Next, AS2, Automation Specialist Level 2. Next, TDS1. Okay, so these are the basic level. Okay, next one, TDS2, AE1, and API. These are intermediate level certification. Means these are the basic certifications. This is medium or intermediate. Next, finally, one proper certification, which is product consultant certification, which is advanced level certification. Now you will ask me whether this certification you will get it from the institute or you will get it from where you will get it. We will directly get it from the company called Tricentis. Tricentis is a company who developed this tool. Okay, all these things will be given from the Tricentis. Okay, Ritvik, I got this one. Like all these things you will give it. You're telling like these all are badges. So can you show me how the badges will look like? Yes. See guys, the AS1 badge will look like this. Okay, you can share the badge in the LinkedIn or take the screenshot. Next, AS2 badge, TDS1 badge. Okay, next TDS2, AE1 and APA. So this is how the badges will look like. Now, here Ritvik, can you please show me how the certification will look like? Final certification. This is how your final certification will look like. Okay, how it will look like, guys? It will look like the Tricentis certified certification of achievement. Okay, in this one, you need to give your name. Has completed Tricentis Tosca product consultant certification exam. Okay, so your name will be displayed, has completed Tricentis Tosca product consultant certification. See, issue date, certification number, level is advanced. And you will have 2 years, guys. Why? Because in 2 years, everything will change, right? So after 2 years, you need to reattempt this exam. Why? Because a lot of knowledge you will get it. Lot of things they will change, right? So in order to put that, we will use, we need to do every 2 years. Okay. So that's how it is. Got my point? Your name, for example, some Rajesh is there or Randir is there. Ranadir has completed Tricentis Tosca product consultant exam. Okay. In this way, they will use this one. Got my point? Now, what do you need to do? For example, who should learn this course? If you are a manual tester, this is the best one. If you are a fresher, manual tester, or automation testing with Selenium, who wants to change their career from Selenium to Tosca, then you are the correct persons to learn this course. Next one, software engineer. If you are a software engineer, then you can learn this course. If you are an SDET, like you are a tester, full stack tester, then you are ready to learn it. If you are a manager who want to switch your career from managing normal manager to the technical manager, you can learn this. You are a Tosca specialist who want to learn on API, SAP, and other, then you can learn this course. Now, if you are from a non-technical background, today also one non-technical person has joined in the technical in the same organization, Accenture. Okay, I'm very happy. He has passed one comments. I will show at the end. Okay, he told that I have cracked the interview by my own, and now he converted his career. His manager has given that chance, like to prove themselves. He has proved that. He has been me today. I am very happy with that. Why? Because a non-technical person joining my course and they are learning the subject and they are cracking the interview, which is very, very good. Okay. So you can learn all these course, guys. Okay. So those, even you are a fresher or you are what kind of experience you have, you can learn this course. Zero code, right? It is very easy. And you will add database, you will add SAP, you will add API. Then it will add the weightage to your resume. Okay. Now, what are the highlights of this training? So what we will do it in this training. In this training, the course duration would be 40 to 45 days. We will try to complete. It may extend plus or minus. Mostly it is plus. Okay. Why? Because in the interview, if they ask a new concept, right, I will add that concepts. So it will add some more days. Okay. But we will try to complete it. Next, interview tips. I will give a proper interview tips. See, guys, when I'm taking the previous batches, right? So you can see my previous batches. I used to teach a lot of batches in my career. Okay. See, you can see 8 a.m., 8:30 a.m., 6:30 p.m., and 8 p.m. So if you see everything, I will give everything as a class notes. Okay. So I will write the interview question in front of you. What, for example, topic, interview questions, topic, interview questions, task. Okay. Next, weekly assignments. I will give an assignments, guys. For example, one topic is completed. Please automate this one. If you have any doubts, we will discuss. Next, interview question and answers. I will tell you what are the interview question and answers. I will type it and I will give it to you. Next one, CV. Once you have completed your one, I will prepare the CVs for you. Next, hands-on experience. You will get a lot of hands-on experience. With the real-time experience, I will teach you. I will tell you what are the real-time and what is the subject. Next, mock-up interviews. I will give mock interviews also. I will take mock interviews. After your course is done, I will give 10 days for preparation. Okay. In these 10 days, you need to prepare and come to me for the mock interview. I will guide you guys. Okay. Next one. Tosca is a paid tool, right? The installation, I will do it. That is included in the course fees. Next one, license activation. I will provide a proper license to you. 3 to 4 months. Okay. It will be 3 to 4 months. If you want, I will give it to you. You don't worry about it. Okay. Now, business email ID. In order to do the certification, business email ID is mandatory. So I will give that business email ID also. These all are included in the course fees. Okay. Next one. You have understood what is this Tosca, but if I talk about major automation tools in the market, guys, we need to agree the major or important tool in the market is Selenium, right? Selenium with Java and Python. We all will agree. Why? Because it's been a while, the Selenium is ruling the market. Now, what I will tell, being a tutor, I will tell, no. Apart from Selenium, we have one of the major tool, which is Tosca commander. Now, see guys, if you want to know the capability of of anything, you need to fight with the top competitor. ఎస్ ఆర్ నో? అంటే మనం ప్రూవ్ చేసుకోవాలి అని అంటే వి నీడ్ టు ఫైట్ విత్, మనం ఫైట్ చేయాలి. ఎవరితో ఫైట్ చేయాలి? ఏ టూల్ అయితే చాలా బాగుందని అంటున్నారో మార్కెట్లో ఆ టూల్ మనం చేయాలి. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్, యూ హ్యావ్ ఎ టూల్ కాల్డ్ Tricentis Tosca. Now, let us, what we need to do, if we want to know the capability of Tosca, let us put some fight with Selenium. Let us put some fight with Selenium. Okay, if you put some fight, who will win that fight? Ever win out the fight? So in order to understand, let us take, so now see, according to the Google or any other thing, the major or important tool in market for automation is Selenium. Now let us fight the Tosca with Selenium and let us differentiate between Selenium and Tosca. So Selenium is coding and Tosca is non-coding. Now let us fight between, see guys, from here it is very, very important. Listen this properly. Okay, now let us fight between Selenium and Tosca. So the difference between Selenium and Tosca. Okay, now I will give some points. Okay, let us see. Selenium on the other hand, and one end, on the other hand, we have Tosca command. Selenium is an open source. Yes, a very big advantage is Selenium is plus 1 point. Okay, Selenium is open source and Tricentis Tosca is a licensed. So -1. Since it is an open source, it is a licensed tool. We have a disadvantage. We need to agree, guys. Okay. Next one. Selenium relies heavily on coding. Yes. In order to automate anything, you need to write a lot of code. Okay. So you need to write a lot of code. Next one. Tosca commander. The code involved in the Tosca commander is 0. Okay. The Tosca command, the code involved in the Tosca commander is 0. Okay. So means you won't write a single piece of code. So -1 plus 1. Now see, Selenium doesn't have any dedicated support. There is no dedicated support, guys. So -1 means since it's an open tool, who will take care? For example, you got stuck. The client is pressurizing you to do it. Then what you can do? You can connect to the Tricentis team and you can get that job done. Next, Tosca have dedicated support from Tricentis team. So +1. Next, very hard to understand. Since you are writing the code, it is very hard to understand. And as there is no code is involved, it is very easy to understand. So +1. Okay, till now, you have showed the differences. Can you give any live example or prove me whether, take one example from Selenium and take one example from, okay, take one example from Selenium and take one example from Tosca. Okay, and let us compare it. Let us automate it and compare the both and we'll see how it will work. Okay, now observe this one, guys. Now I will put one fight between Tosca and Selenium. Let us see which one looks easier and which one is easy to learn. Okay, now see, I will tell one scenario to you. నేను scenario చెప్తాను. What you need to do, you need to open the browser. Once you have opened the browser, you need to launch the URL. Okay, what you need to do, you need to launch the URL. Once you have launched the URL, you need to click on the register button. Step number 4, you need to provide all the details. Okay, what you need to do, you need to provide all the details and you need to click on the register button. 4 steps. What do you need to do? You need to open the browser and launch the URL. Step number 2 is launch the URL and click on the register button and give all the values and finally click on the register button. 4 steps. Only 4 steps. Okay. Now, if you want to automate that 4 steps, you need to write this much of code. If you have any knowledge in Selenium, you can easily identify this. See here. In order to automate this one, you need to write this much of code. A very large code you need to write. Okay. Now, let me run it first. Okay. I will run this respect to test case. Now, I'm running this Selenium code. Okay. Code is very big. Okay. It is very hard to understand what is XPath and all. See what it is doing? It is automatically opening. It is providing the browser. It is clicking on the register button and it is doing this one. Okay. So now what are the steps I have told you manually? The Selenium has automated this one. Yeah. So I have automated this like this. Okay. Now you have understood in order to do 4 steps, you need to write this much of. What if I have 40 steps, 30, 40, 80, 100, 400 steps, then what you will do? There will be huge code. Maintenance would be very hard. Now I will go to the Tosca. What I will do? I will go to the Tosca and I will open this one. See here. I will open this one. So this is what it will do. See, there is no code at all. Zero code. Just you need to provide the data. That's it. No code, no code, no code, no code, no code. Now, if you right click and run it, what it should do? It should open the browser. It should click on the register button. Okay. Yes. It should provide all the data and click on the register button. Same example, guys. Same example. Okay. The same example you have done. But in Selenium, you need to write this much of code. If anyone knows Selenium, they can correlate. If I am telling wrong, please respond. Okay. Now here you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 steps. That's it. You have only 5 steps to automate the same test cases. You got my point? So that too without writing a single code. So that's why everyone is looking for this tool. And nowadays, every day we are getting calls, especially for LTI-Mindtree, Infosys, Accenture, HCL, all the MNC companies. Nowadays, they have reduced the license. Level 3 and level 4 companies also using that one. Going forward, slowly they will migrate from Selenium to Tosca. So that's why try to learn the Tosca and get the job done. Okay. So now we have compared both Selenium and Tosca. Now what I am thinking is the Tosca is very, very good. Why? Because we won't write the code. The code headache is gone. Maintenance headache is gone. Everything is gone. Okay. So that's why you need to learn the Tosca. Okay. Now what else we will provide? Okay. We will provide the daily recording classes, guys. It's a live recording classes. I will come, I will teach, and I will give you the recordings. Okay. So this is all about the Tosca demo. Okay. So we have understood what is Tosca. Going forward, we will understand what we need to do further. Slowly we will learn it. I will be teaching from very, very basics, guys. Very, very basics I will teach you. So get the job done and learn the subject and get the job done. Okay. Now, if you have any questions, okay, if you have any questions, you can ask me, guys. Anyone have any questions? I know Hindi, Telugu, and English. You can speak in any language, whatever the language you are comfortable. Banu, any questions you have?
No, not really.
No doubts, right? Okay. Next, Kamesh, you have any doubt?
No, Raj.
Thank you. So, Malati, you have any doubt?
No, bro, all clear.
Shiva, it's clear, right? Okay. So, Rajesh, do you have any doubt?
No, no, brother. No,
It's good, right? Yeah. So Ranveer, you have any doubt?
I'm good, Rajesh.
You're good, right? Okay. Okay, guys. So that's it for this demo. Okay, hope you like this video. If you have any doubts, if you want to call one-on-one, we will connect and we will discuss. Okay?
Hi, Rajesh.
Yeah.
This is Randhir.
Yeah.
Is there any demo class? Is there another one demo class, or this is the final demo?
No. We have one more demo also.
Same
Okay?
time tomorrow? Or?
Same time tomorrow.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, Rajesh. Thank you.
Okay. Okay, guys. See you all in tomorrow's class at the same time. Until then, so there tomorrow, at the same time, 8 p.m. we will see. Okay, so that's it for today. Hope you like my way of teaching and hope you like the class. And tomorrow we will discuss more. Okay, so that's it for today. See you all in tomorrow's class. Until then, have a nice day. Who are in US, who are in India, good night. Take care. Bye.
Okay, bro. Thank you. Bye.
Thank you so much. Bye. Bye, everyone.